Okay, so welcome to my Rails final project walkthrough. I have made this app called I Have That, which is a community lending app where users can basically sign up, sign in with Google, and list items they want to make available for their community, and also borrow things from their community. So let's start by signing in with Google. Okay, and here we go. And that should sign us up. Here we go. And I haven't used this email address before, so that's why you see this please add your location, because for the app, it's really important that people know where you're located so they could decide if you're in their neighborhood, basically, to get items to borrow. So that's why you see this message. If I go to like another page, it's still going to have that message just to make sure that you know that you have to do that eventually. So I'm just going to do that now. I'm going to go to profile. It says name and then the email address associated with it, and then to add your location. And you can only see this. This is your own profile page. So other people, when they land here, will not be able to see your email address. Okay, so I'm just going to say I'm in Emeryville, California. I'm not going to update my password. And you see here that I can delete my account, and we'll go through that later. But I'm just going to update the user now. And then you can see it's entered it here. And then it says I have no items for listing, so I can add an item. I can edit my profile again. I can, I'll start by adding an item. So I'm gonna see what categories are there. I'm gonna put something in household items, household tools, and I'm gonna say this is a carpet cleaner. I'm gonna say it's a Shark brand steam carpet cleaner. And I'm gonna say it is available for lending. And then I also have this section where if I want to make a category, because I don't see one where my item would belong, I can do that here. But I'm just gonna create this item. And it says the item's been successfully created, and here's my item. I can edit this item if I want. I can delete this item if I want. I'm not gonna do those things now. I'm gonna click on the community page, and this page shows us how many members are a part of I Have That app and where the members are from. So there's that, and you can even click on the member to see what they have for lending. Like Mika has a power sander. I could click on that if I wanted. And then it brings me to the items page, and then I can if I'm like, okay, I want this power sander, I want to see, since I'm going to borrow it because it's available, I want to see what else she has. I can go and see her other items. But I'm just going to say I want to borrow it, so I'm going to contact her. And pressing this opens up my mailer, and it auto-populates the email address, and then the subject, which is that I have, it's a message from I Have That, and it's about the power sander. And then it basically in the body has a thing that says the message is sent from the app. Okay, I'm not going to send an email, but that's something you can do. You can also go to all items, and basically that lists all the items available. And we have a lot of items, and they're in alphabetical order. And then I have a search field here where you can search by location. So since I said I'm from Emeryville, I'm going to say I'm looking for items in Emeryville. And it's not case sensitive, so it doesn't matter how you put it in. And then basically it will just list all the items that are available in Emeryville and also unavailable. I thought only maybe I should filter it so it's only available items, but then I decided maybe I'm going on a trip in a few weeks, and so I want to see everything because maybe unavailable items will become available. So there's that. I have an items by category page, and I have another search here where I can search items by name. And this is by all the categories that I have. And it tells you the category name, it gives you the description of the name, and then it tells you how many items are in the category, and you can click on the item and it brings you to the items page. I have a free category. So if I wanted to look for tents, I could do that. And it will just pull up all the tents and where they're located and if it's available. The other thing you can do with this search is you don't have to have the exact word. So like if I'm looking for like a book, but this is listed as books, I could type in book and it will still pull that out, which is pretty cool. And even if I'm just looking for something that has like power, like if I'm looking for a power tool, but I don't know what kind, I could put in power and it would list all the things that have power in the title, the item name. So there are those. So that's a feature that I have. And then I also have the ability to basically delete this user. I can delete the item, but I'm going to do both. I'm going to delete the user, which automatically deletes all their items. So I'm going to go to edit profile and I'm going to hit delete your account. And it's going to have a pop-up that says, are you sure deleting your account will lead to all of your personal information and items that you have for lending? You can delete it. And I'm going to say I am sure. And that should delete me. And it says account deleted. And then we can check. I'll sign in as Miranda. And then let's make sure that what we listed is not there. So let's go to community. And there's a Keiko, but we were Keiko Co., which is not the same name. So we're not there. And then we'll see if our items have also disappeared. And it was a carpet cleaner. So it would have been here, but it's not there anymore. So we know that that worked. I think that is all I have to show you. I have validation set for a lot of things. Like I can't, if I wanted to rename myself, a username that's already been taken, it won't let me do it. And I have the same validation for email. I have those validations for when you first sign up also. So that's something I have, like usernames and user emails have to be unique. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching my walkthrough.